How to add items to cart on AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add items to cart on AliExpress. For this, you want to open the AliExpress app on your device. Then make sure to sign into your account. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened this, you want to explore the website and find the items that you want to purchase. You can also use this shop button over here to search your favorite items. Now you simply want to tap on any of the item that you prefer. Now tap on the add to cart option. Now you can select the quantity from here and also the colors from here. Once you have selected that, tap on the continue option. As you can see, the item has now been added to cart. You can now scroll down and continue to shop. Again, if you find any item that you want to add, simply tap on the add to cart option and then tap on the continue option. Now, if you want to check out your cart, all you want to do is on the home screen, you want to tap on the cart icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you have all the items that you have added on your cart over here. Now you can tap on the checkout option and proceed to the payment methods. And this is how you can add items to cart on AliExpress. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.